10 Best Survival Guns for Every Stuff Hits the Fan Situation 2025. Having a reliable firearm can make all the difference when the stakes are high and survival is your top priority. Whether it's for hunting, self-defense, or just peace of mind during uncertain times, a survival gun needs to be versatile, durable, and easy to use. These guns aren't just tools, they're lifelines that can help you navigate the toughest situations, from securing food to protecting yourself and your loved ones. The best survival guns are carefully engineered for reliability and adaptability, ensuring they perform under pressure. Whether it's a compact firearm you can pack away, a shotgun that can handle various types of ammunition, or a precision rifle for hunting games, each option on this list has been chosen for its unique capabilities. Henry AR-7. The Henry AR-7 is the ultimate survival rifle, designed with portability and practicality. Created for Air Force pilots to use in emergency landings, this compact firearm has stood the test of time as a favorite among survivalists. Its lightweight build and innovative design make it easy to transport, as the entire rifle can be disassembled and stored in its waterproof stock. The .22 AR caliber may seem modest, but it's perfect for small game hunting and even self-defense in a pinch. The ammunition is lightweight and easy to carry in bulk, ensuring you have enough rounds for extended periods. Despite its compact size, the AR-7 delivers remarkable accuracy, allowing you to make the most of every shot. Its barrel is corrosion-resistant, ensuring reliability in wet or harsh environments, a critical feature for any survival situation. What sets the Henry AR-7 apart is its ability to thrive in the most challenging conditions. Whether you're trekking through dense forests or navigating a flood-prone area, this rifle's design ensures it won't let you down. Savage Model 42. The Savage Model 42 is a 2-in-1 firearm that combines a .22 or 22 WR rifle barrel with a 410 shotgun barrel. This over-and-under design offers unmatched versatility, making it a standout choice for survival scenarios. Whether you're hunting small game with the rifle barrel or taking down birds and other small prey with the shotgun, the Model 42 ensures you're prepared for a variety of challenges. Its lightweight design and straightforward operation make it an excellent option for beginners and seasoned shooters alike. The rifle's accuracy is commendable, especially given its dual-purpose nature. The 410 shotgun barrel adds an extra layer of utility, accommodating a wide range of ammunition types to suit different needs, from slugs to birdshot. The Savage Model 42's adaptability is what makes it indispensable in survival situations. You never know what resources or threats you might face, and having a gun that can do it all is a massive advantage. Its simple breakdown mechanism also makes it easy to carry and store, ensuring it's always ready when you need it most. Chiappa M1-9. For those who value reliability and familiarity, the Chiappa M1-9 offers a modern twist on a classic design. Modeled after the iconic M1 carbine, this 9mm carbine combines nostalgia with practicality. The M1-9 is perfect for those who want a firearm that's easy to handle, with manageable recoil and an efficient ammunition type. The 9mm caliber is widely available, making it a practical choice for a survival firearm. Its semi-automatic action ensures quick follow-up shots, which can be crucial in self-defense or when hunting elusive prey. The carbine's lightweight construction and ergonomic design make it easy to carry for extended periods, ensuring it won't weigh you down when every ounce matters. Durability is another strong suit of the Chiappa M1-9. Built to withstand rugged use, this carbine can handle the wear and tear of a survival scenario without compromising performance. Kel-Tec Sub 2000. The Kel-Tec Sub 2000 is a folding carbine that redefines portability and practicality. This unique firearm is chambered in 9mm or 40 S&Dolo and accepts standard handgun magazines, allowing you to consolidate your ammunition supply if you're already carrying a compatible handgun. Its foldable design makes it incredibly compact, fitting easily into backpacks or small storage spaces. The Sub 2000 excels in its ability to provide accuracy and power in a lightweight package. Its adjustable stock and ergonomic grip ensure comfortable handling, while its long barrel length enhances accuracy compared to standard handguns. Whether you're defending yourself or hunting, the Sub 2000 offers the versatility and dependability you need. Its low-maintenance design is perfect for survivalists who may not have access to cleaning tools or supplies. The Kel-Tec Sub 2000 is a testament to innovative engineering, offering a compact, reliable, and highly functional firearm that's perfectly suited for survival situations where space and weight are at a premium. CZ527. The CZ527 is a compact bolt-action rifle built for precision and versatility. Chambered in various calibers like 223 Remington and 7.62 x 39 mm, this firearm is perfect for survivalists who need a reliable rifle for medium to large game hunting or defense. Its lightweight design and classic bolt-action mechanism make it a robust option for those who value durability and precision. What sets the CZ527 apart is its superior accuracy, thanks to its cold, hammer-forged barrel and crisp trigger pull. Whether you're hunting deer or defending your homestead, the CZ527 provides reliable shot placement, even at extended ranges. Its fixed magazine or detachable box magazine options make it adaptable to different preferences and scenarios, ensuring you're always ready for action. In a survival situation, simplicity often equals reliability, and the CZ527 excels in this regard. Its robust construction and minimal moving parts reduce the likelihood of malfunctions, making it a dependable choice in adverse conditions. Mossberg 590-1. The Mossberg 590-1 is the gold standard for tactical shotguns, designed to endure the harshest conditions while delivering unmatched performance. Chambered in 12-gauge, this pump-action shotgun is a survival powerhouse, capable of handling a wide variety of ammunition, from birdshot to slugs. Its rugged construction and military-grade design make it a favorite among survivalists and law enforcement alike. The 590-1's reliability stems from its heavy-walled barrel and metal trigger guard, ensuring it can withstand rough handling without sacrificing performance. Its high-capacity magazine tube allows for multiple shots without reloading, a critical feature in both defensive and hunting scenarios. The shotgun's pump-action mechanism is simple to operate, ensuring consistent performance even in challenging environments. Versatility is the Mossberg 590-1's forte. Whether you're defending against predators or taking down game, this shotgun adapts to your needs with ease. Rock Island Armory M1-911. The Rock Island Armory M1-911 is a classic semi-automatic pistol that brings reliability and timeless design to the survival world. Chambered in 45 ACP or 9mm, this handgun offers stopping power and precision in a sleek, easy-to-use package. Its all-steel construction ensures durability, while its smooth trigger and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to handle for extended periods. What makes the M1-911 a standout survival gun is its simplicity and widespread availability of parts and ammunition. In a situation where resources are limited, the M1-911's straightforward design makes maintenance a breeze. Its robust construction allows it to function reliably even under less than ideal conditions, ensuring it won't let you down when you need it most. Beyond its practicality, the M1-911 is a formidable defensive tool. Its stopping power, combined with its manageable recoil, makes it an excellent choice for close-quarters encounters. Ruger Ranch Rifle. The Ruger Ranch Rifle is a versatile semi-automatic firearm that excels in adaptability and reliability. Chambered in calibers like 223 Remington and 5.56 NATO, this rifle is perfect for medium to large game hunting and defensive purposes. Its rugged construction and proven track record make it a go-to choice for survivalists looking for a dependable and accurate firearm. One of the standout features of the Ranch Rifle is its ability to handle various environmental conditions. Its durable construction and corrosion-resistant finish ensure reliable performance in rain, snow, or dirt. Additionally, its detachable magazine allows for quick reloads, which can be crucial in high-stress scenarios. The Ranch Rifle's versatility extends to its ease of customization. From optics to slings and bipods, this rifle can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Winchester XPR. The Winchester XPR is a bolt-action rifle designed for precision and durability, making it an excellent choice for survival situations where accuracy and reliability are paramount. Chambered in a variety of calibers, including 308 Winchester and 30-06 Springfield, the XPR is perfect for taking down large game or defending against serious threats. This rifle's precision comes from its advanced barrel technology, which ensures consistent accuracy shot after shot. Its rugged synthetic stock and corrosion-resistant finish make it a reliable companion in harsh environments. The smooth bolt action allows for quick and seamless cycling, which is essential when seconds count. The Winchester XPR is built with survival in mind. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while its versatility ensures it can handle a wide range of tasks from hunting to defense. DP-12 Double Barrel. The DP-12 Double Barrel Shotgun redefines power and efficiency in a compact package. This innovative pump-action shotgun features 2 barrels, allowing you to fire 2 shots before cycling. Chambered in 12-gauge, the DP-12 delivers unmatched stopping power, making it an ideal choice for both defensive and offensive survival scenarios. Its bullpup design shortens the overall length without sacrificing barrel length, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. The DP-12's dual magazine tubes provide a high capacity, giving you up to 16 rounds before reloading. This makes it a formidable option for defending against multiple threats or taking down game. The DP-12's rugged construction ensures it can withstand harsh conditions, while its ergonomic design makes it surprisingly comfortable to handle. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.